Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get a voice chat on Roblox Mobile. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So, first thing you wanna do is open your Roblox app. Now, once you're in your app, just go to settings on the lower right corner of the screen with the three dots. Now, go to settings and then click on account info. And then make sure to verify your phone number and email. Then after you verify it, you can join a game and you have a voice chat and enjoy. And can't wait to be shouting at 8-year-olds. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!